What we have here today is a Amana dishwasher that is a Energy Star appliance, and it's not dissolving the soap or leaving the dishes very clean. And I will show you how to clean the filter. As you can see, the soap packet didn't fully dissolve. Next, what we'll do is take the entire bottom rack out. Now on the very bottom here, there is this little screen here. You turn it counterclockwise and you pull it out, and we'll go ahead and wash this out real well. There happens to be quite a bit of some kind of food particles or whatnot on there, and we'll just go ahead and rinse those off. Okay, we got her cleaned out here. You can see through it very well, and we'll go ahead and reinstall it. Put it in, turn it clockwise and make sure it locks in. We put our tray back in and run the dishwasher.